welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a pumpkin topiary. I will be using 3 of these pumpkins that you get from Dollar Tree. I will be using a plastic bowl that you get from Dollar Tree. You get 10 in a pack for $1. You get 12 of these little plates. They're plastic. You get 12 of those for $1. I will be using some leaves from Dollar Tree. I will be using a stick that I went out in my yard and found, and also be using a brown pipe cleaner to get the curly effect that I have on my stem here. So what I'm going to do is I have already painted all of my pumpkins and got them ready. I've already painted all of this. These are just painted with the Color Place Walmart paint for $1 at Walmart. This is also painted with that paint. What I done was I gave my pumpkins a coat of this paint so that I would have a base coat. So when I had my base coat on my pumpkins, what I did is I went over 2 of them with the vintage white in the folk art paint, and I went over 1 with a harvest orange in the upper barrel paint. And this is what they look like. So I have 2 of these that I've already painted. I have 1 of these that I've already painted. Then I have my little tray here. What I did was I took my tray and just hot glued the cup to the bottom of the plate. You can see here. Then I made a little twine ribbon and put on the edge of the plate just to give it some decoration. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to pick through my pumpkins, see which one I want, where I want my bottom to be, and I'm going to put some hot glue on it. You can also put a dowel rod in here if you want to. You don't have to, but then just hot glue it to your plate like that. Then you get your orange pumpkin, decide which you want to be this side. Always make sure that you check your pumpkins though, because this one here was not too good in some spots. So you just make sure you pick which one you want, which side. Then add your hot glue. When you have that finished, just place it on top of your other pumpkin, like this. Let me pull you up a little bit so you can actually see. Okay, so when you get that finished, then you're going to take your last pumpkin and you're going to hot glue that to the top of that pumpkin. Like this. Then we're going to take your stick, this here, and we're going to push that down because this is all foam. So we're going to push this down in the middle of your pumpkin for the stem. And then we have the little curly cues. And then I'm going to take the leaves and hot glue some of those around. You can put a dowel rod between the pumpkins if you want to, but I just use the hot glue to cover them. Then I'm going to take a few of these leaves and just kind of stack them around on the pumpkin. And you can just add these anywhere you want. Whatever you think will look good. I'm just putting them here and there. You can place them like anywhere you want to on here. I love doing Dollar Tree crafts, which all of this did come from the Dollar Tree. Everything came from the Dollar Tree. To me, you can make such pretty crafts and you don't have much invested in it. This here I've got about $4 invested in it maybe. My paints all came from Walmart and places like that, so you don't have to count for all that. And this project's about done. It doesn't take much. It doesn't take much money. It's just something quick and easy. Like I said, you know, I've done the spray paint as a base coat just to adhere the paint a little bit better, hoping that it would stick a little bit better. So, this is what my topiary looks like. Just a little simple DIY. If y'all would, please like, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you would like to see me do another project, you know, something like this, or if you would like to see a Christmas project. I do have some Christmas DIYs that I want to do. So just let me know if you're ready for Christmas, if you're still wanting fall, if you want to see some Halloween stuff. Just let me know, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.